Hi, I'm Charmaine with DailyDeals.com, and you can save big on a delicious surf and turf grill pack from Maine Lobster with today's Daily Deal. Stock up on all the best seafood and meat with Get Maine Lobster and its yummy Black Point Grill Pack. With today's Daily Deal, you'll get 4 lobster tails, 8 bacon-wrapped fillets, and 6 beef, chicken, and pork skewers. You used to have to travel to the coast to get seafood this fresh, but thanks to Maine Lobster, that just out-of-the-water taste can be delivered right to your door, and just in 2 days. The Get Maine Lobster chefs make it even better by preparing the items with delicious marinades. Get Maine Lobster buys directly from well-established, trusted suppliers to ensure that you receive the finest product available. Fire up the grill and save big on lobster and other specialties from Get Maine Lobster, and save big with today's Daily Deal.